Today we're going to check out the Ryobi Sawzall. Just got it, 79 bucks from Home Depot. So let's check it out and see what we got here. Unbox it. There we go. It's supposed to come with a blade, but I don't see one. But we'll just take a look. And here she is. Zoom, zoom. And I'm hoping that it takes the batteries that I've got. We're going to try it out and see how she works. All right, so this is the Ryobi Sawzall, or it's called a reciprocating saw. And in the front, you have a guard, and this is where you put your blade. All right, notice that I do not have the battery attached to it, and this does not come with a battery or a battery charger. So it's 79 bucks at Home Depot. You might be able to get it cheaper some other place, but it doesn't come with the battery or the battery charger. But luckily, I have a bunch of drills, and I have the batteries. It's an 18-volt battery. All right, so anyway, in the front is where you put your blade. It does come with a blade. This is what you get. You get this, and you get this in the box. And the way that you put the blade in is you're going to pull up on this side slot, and you'll notice on the back of this blade, you see there's a hole and there's a little thing sticking down. Now you got to slide it right in that little slot there. Let's see if you can see it. I may have to lighten this so you can get a better eye. But I'm going to come in. I'm going to turn it a little bit so you can see what I'm going to put it in there like that. And then I let go of this, and then it's in there. You see? It won't come out. All right? And that's basically how it works. On the side here, you've got a guard or a lock. If you push it this way, you can't pull the trigger. So if you're looking at the blade this way, this is on the right side. I push it with my right hand, and I cannot pull the trigger. I push it with my thumb. I push it on the left side this way, and now the trigger's able to pull. Notice I put the saw blade in without the battery on, so I could be safer that way. And then I'm going to put this on a lock position, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my battery in. The battery goes in here, and I'm just going to pull this one off of here. And this is the same one I use for my drills. So it's 18 volt, and I bought this on Amazon for like half price. And it slides in this way. You see there's the contacts. I just push it in, bam. Now if I try to pull the trigger, nothing happens. But if I push this over, here we go. Texas Sawzall Massacre. And that's how it works. Check it out. Let's go saw some stuff. Okay, so let's say you're all done and you want to take your blade out. First of all, you don't want to stick your finger over by the blade. That's dumb. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the battery out first, just like that. The way I do that is I squeeze it on the sides, here and here, and it slides out, right? Bam. I set it over there. Now to get the blade out, all I have to do is pull this up, and I can just pull it out. Bam, Bob's your uncle. There's your blade. And now it's ready for storage, and that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this.